Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just showing you how to unlock a luggage if you forgot your lock. So in here we have this type of lock. So for this example, so it's not working. So I'll show you how to unlock this type of lock. So first, bring down your luggage and see. So it's not working. So first find this hole. You can see that kind of hole from the knob. So each one has one. So you're going to just align it first, either on the left side, so like this. Okay, so that's first must do, and then I'm going to rotate it one by one. So like this, and then pull it. Then not working, try another combination, just +1 for each knob. Working. Okay, so that's how you unlock this kind of lock. Okay, so to show you, to change the lock is simply rotate this and then change the number. So it will become this. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope it helps you. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.